Hello everyone, I'm Pavitra and I'm an MA graduate. Here I'm talking about my experience of investment banking course with the MIE Magic Institute of Excellence. I'm a person who wanted to start my career in a core finance field. For that I chose Magic Institute of Excellence and I think I made a right choice. So in MIE you are not only going to learn about investment banking but you also learn about hedge fund, financial modeling, and they also have this thing called industry readiness program. There is no doubt that the institute is going to train you thoroughly from start to end about the technical thing, but only a technical knowledge is not enough to crack an interview, right? So that is where the industry readiness program will play its role. So there you will learn how to showcase yourself in an interview, how to answer to the questions. So overall I had a great experience with MIE and I got placed in a BNP Paribas for a role of associate level 1 for clearing and settlement. So if you are a person who want to start your career in a core finance field, then MIE is for you. Thank you.